Going on, everybody? Hope everybody is doing well. This Saturday morning, a little bit close to 8:30 or so. It's been a while since my last video. Things have been a little crazy as it pertains to the work front and things along those lines. Both my wife and I are working from home. Different scenery. My wife took over the office, so I've been kicked to the kitchen table from a work perspective. But all in all, things are going pretty good here. Wanted to show off a few things. Was able to work out a deal with a seller on eBay. He was selling his collection. Used to be a big TD collector. Pretty big collection as far as the number of cards is concerned. Quite a few autographs and things along those lines, but what really piqued my interest was the notation of the number of inserts and parallels that he had. And I got in contact with him. He started sharing pictures and things along those lines. And I submitted an offer for just the inserts, and he rejected, which I had a feeling he would. It's one of those in which you can always tell when somebody has a personal attachment to what they're selling, which, is understandable. And so we kept talking and things along those lines. And I had mentioned that, is there a possibility that maybe we could work out a deal for some cards that I needed? And he obliged. So I sent him over my checklist of cards that I was still needing to fill gaps in my collection. And he took the time, went through everything, sent me over the checklist. I kind of reviewed it, and I think it was a little over 170 cards is what he identified based on the checklist I sent him. So I sent him an offer, what I thought was a pretty fair offer. And he countered. Wasn't a substantial counter. It was a little bit more than what I expected to pay. So I countered, and then I didn't hear anything from him for a couple days. And I reached back out to him. I was like, you know what? Seems as though this is what you were really hoping to get. And I accepted the offer, and we were able to finalize and make the deal. So this whole thing took almost 2 months. Give or take almost 2 months to actually make this transaction take place. But super excited for what I was able to add to the collection. Out of the 170 cards, I want to say it was like 152 that actually filled gaps, because I did kind of do a blanket offer in the deal of one of each rookie card that he had. And it was more for two specific cards, that I saw in pictures. So most of the rookies were dupes, but on the flip side, there was a few that I was able to fill gaps. One of which is actually a pretty big card. But anyways, wanted to show that off. I do have a few other stacks. So the way I'm going to do this is strictly the 90s version of the pickups for the collection. There are a few cards that are early 2000s, but they hold some significance. So I went ahead and included those. And then there's this stack, which is much older. Wow. Newer, I should say. 2003 and all the way up to, I think, 2017. And then this little small stack, these are pickups, but I'm not going to show those either. So at least for those individuals that still watch my videos, there should be a few more videos coming down the pipe here before too long. I did pick up 2 big cards, paid for them yesterday. Really excited to get those. One completes a rainbow, a 90s rainbow, and one is a card that I hadn't seen in a long time, and really super pumped to get it. I bid on another one and lost out. But anyways, enough with the rambling, but I at least wanted to give the back end story on a lot of these. I'm just going to run through them. So these are separated in 2 different stacks. Just some of the regular rookies, and then just some regular base inserts and stuff like that. And then some of the bigger ones I'll show later on. But to start off, navigating the zone. This is a UD authenticated type thing. I do have the autograph version of this, but I wanted to get one that was non-autograph, so that was pretty cool. And then on to the cards. Signature rookies. This is the base signature rookies, which I didn't have. And then this is the international version, which is numbered to 13,500. These are in no particular order, guys. 96 select certified red. Some of these I may not know the name of and won't go into great detail. 96 Fleer Ultra, Creative Chaos. It's Carl Pickens on the other side. And then another one. Sorry for the glare. I turned this light on thinking that it would actually help. Guess not. 96 Leaf. This is the collector's edition. Let's see right there at the top. Good old 1997 playoff chip shots. That's the red. I think I only had the yellow, I think. So these are in no particular order. 97 Fleer Ultra, gold medallion. SP Authentic 97 profiles. Nice card. Nothing special here. 97 Skybox Premium. This is the promo or the sample, whatever you want to call it. Promo, sample, kind of the same thing. 98 SPX Gold. 98 Absolute SSD. Pretty sure this is just the standard base card, but pretty cool. It's also got the silver on the back. Kind of cool card, base or not. Playoff Momentum. This is the red parallel. This is going to be a long video, guys, just FYI. SPX Finite. These are all going to, what most of these are going to be right here. I'm not going to go into what all these are either because I don't remember them. That one's numbered to 1250. There's this one. It's numbered to 1620. That one is numbered to 2500. And there's this one. And this one is 7200. So I've got quite a few of those, and there'll be another one later on. I don't know. Collector's Edge. This one's actually numbered at 2500. Like I said, a lot of these Collector's Edge ones I don't even remember. Leaf Rookies and Stars. Ticketmasters. So you got Trail Davis on one side, Greasy on the other, numbered to 2500. Another Collector's Edge. It's numbered to 2000. Collector's Edge Big Easy. Insert. I know this is numbered. There it is. Numbered to 2000. Superpowers Upper Deck. Pretty sure this one's numbered 2 somewhere. Oh, yeah, it's right there on the front. Numbered to 2000. Black Diamond. 1500. statistical standouts, Leaf rookies and stars. 1250. So quite a few serial numbered cards. Donruss Preferred. This is one of the serial numbered versions. That's numbered to 500. Prestige SSD. This is the purple variation. Numbered to 500. Man, that glare. And then there's the red version. Also numbered to 500. So 2 of those. Fabric of the Game. Also numbered to 500. Another statistical standouts. Different year. Leaf rookies and stars. It's numbered to 500. Playoff Prestige, Stars of the NFL, die cut. It's a really cool card. Number to 500. Living Legends. Just, Crown Royal. You probably won't see this. I'm going to pick it up. Sorry. It's number to 375. SP Authentic. Special Forces. Man, that glare. Number to 1,000. I was hoping the light would help some of these cards kind of show off some of the color variations and stuff. Quantum Leaf. Number to 1,000. This is going to be a long video, guys, just FYI. Another Playoff Prestige. This is number to 1,000. EXP. Number to 1,000. Collector's Edge Acetate Route to the Super Bowl. It's kind of a cool card. And that's number to 1,000. Still going. Donruss, is that 2,000? Yeah, so this is one of the few that are in the early 2000s. Domination, it's numbered to 5,000. Another Collector's Edge. Don't Give Me the Lion. I don't remember a lot of these, to be honest, because there were so many different variations. Also numbered to 5,000. Donruss Elite. Number to 5,000. And what's kind of cool with this one is the serial number actually is a silver hollow foil. Another Collector's Edge. Number to 3,500. A lot of serial number cards. Moments in Time. It's Pacific, but I don't remember which Pacific brand. That's not numbered. Mystery Finest. Terrell Davis on one side and Dirty Waters on the other. Always cool to get a Mystery Finest. Bowman's Best Mirror Images. This is just the base. Joanna Anderson, Ricky Waters, Terrell Davis, Chris Warren on the other side. So this is just the base variation, or the base insert. Die cut. And for the life of me, I don't remember which one this is. Collector's Edge. Fourth quarter. I can't remember. One of these is galvanized. This is second quarter. This is just the silver. I think the fourth quarter is the galvanized. No, fourth quarter was silver. This is third quarter. This is the galvanized variation. I don't remember what this is called either. Another Collector's Edge. I've got a Prism. Top Stars, 3-star parallel. this was numbered. Yep. Number 50 of 199. That's pretty cool. Diamonds Preferred, QBC. 147 of 150. There it goes. I was going to say it's not going to pick up. Black Diamond. This one's serial number to 1,000, I think. It's down there at the bottom. Kind of blends in with the card design. Coach's Collection, Absolute. Coach's Corner. Oh. Coach's Collection, sorry, I misspoke. That's numbered out of 500. It's been a while since I've looked through these again. Styrotex and of Aurora. This one's not numbered. Nope. Crown Royal, Franchise Glory. I loved Pacific back in the day. It's not numbered. Alma Maters, Garrison Hurst, Terrell Davis. Another gold medallion edition out of Fleer Ultra. This is from the Super Bowl when they beat the Falcons. NFL Rivals out of Momentum. Kind of a cool card. Terrell Davis with Napoleon Kaufman. I don't remember what this one is. Can't even remember. One more small stack for the bulk of these. Superpowers. Is this at Encore? Yeah, this one's at the Encore. So, nice card. Inside the numbers. Pacific Heads Update or Heads Up. Out of Gaudi. These are the minis. I don't remember the set names. I know there's like the base and then there's. So this is the other one. Of those not numbered. Player of the Week. Out of Pacific. Got that Dufex. Score complete players. This is red. Rookie recall. Out of Momentum. Some holofoil on it. And even on the back. It's kind of cool when they did the front and the back. Contenders pennant. That's the orange. Genuine article. Nothing big on that one. That's also a genuine article. These are two different checklists. Seize the Game, I believe. Yeah, Seize the Game. 184 out of 250. Like I said, there's no 98. Nope, not 98. 99 Bowman Chrome. This is the Interstate version or variation. There's no rhyme or reason with how I threw these in here. Finest Inherent Fire. For whatever reason, there's two different numbers for these. So it's Terrell Davis on one side and then Thomas Jones on the other. But there's two different numbers. Absolute. Statistically Speaking. And then the back is also the same as the front. Kind of cool. Bowman Chrome Refractor. SPX Masters, not numbered. Got that kind of hollow little prism in the front. Triple Threat. In the back. So Trail Davis, Greasy, and Shannon Sharpe. Score of the franchise. Already at 20 minutes. Contenders, die cut. Can't remember the set on this one. It's a really cool card. Feature film, I think this is what this one's called, out of Prestige. Really cool card design. Not numbered. UD3. Finest Refractor is another one that's just outside the 90s, but and then Top Stars, this is the promo. Got the 000000. So that's just kind of like the regular inserts and parallels and rookies. And then these are the ones that are the cooler ones, I think. 95 Collector's Choice, that's the silver version. And then the gold version. So this was the reason why I wanted one of each of the rookies for that card. This one, which one is this one? Out of Dynagan, this is Titanium, 99. This is a really cool card. This one is serial numbered 18 and 99. So you're going to see more of these are going to be lower serial numbers. Out of Finest, this is the embossed silver refractor. All these last few cards were huge in this pickup that I was able to make this purchase. Quads. Trail Davis, Dan Marino, and then Jerome Bettis, Napoleon Kaufman is a big card too. Super pumped to get that one. We got Mystery Finest Refractor. Super excited on this one too, and it's TD on both sides, which is pretty cool. Bowman's Best Cuts. This is the Atomic Refractor. Really happy to finally get one of these into the collection. He's also in no particular order. Pinnacle Zenith Z-Team. Just a really, really cool card. Scoring Core out of Pinnacle. Die cut. Real cool. This one, I'm hoping somebody can potentially shed some light on this one. I shared this with Dave, Josh Johnson, 55, and then Michael. This film not yet rated, and we couldn't find anything on it. But this card is from 96. Pretty sure. Out of Playoff, and this one's got a tag or a stamp up here referring to the National. And I'm going to shoot myself if I said this is 96 and it's 95. My eyes are getting bad, guys. Maybe this is 95. But regardless, it's got this stamp. I can't get any closer, but it's from the National. I thought this was just really cool. I'm hoping to be able to find something out about it. Class Reunion Quads. Cordell Stewart, Terrell Davis, and then Curtis Martin, Napoleon Kaufman on the other side. They have jumbo versions of these too, but super pumped to get that one. Rookie Rising, Dufex on a Pinnacle. I know a lot of people, and then it's got the same on the back. Really cool card. 96 Finest Refractor with the peel. Pretty pumped to get that one. This one's just a really tough pull. Intimidation Nation out of Skybox Premium. Can't recall if this is a one per case type deal, but really tough pull. So really, really excited to get that one. Collector's Choice 4-star Star Quest. Happy to get one of those. These next two were both out of Collector's Edge. These are like the redemptions or something. I don't remember exactly how they have it called out, but these are both numbered to 100. So this one's 48 of 100. And then this one's also 48 of 100. But these were redemptions. And there's, 48 of 100. Upper Deck TD Salute Quantum Silver. This is a big card too. This is the second one that I have in the collection. Numbered 47 of 100. So really excited to get that. Stadium Club, one of a kind. And there's the serial number. Number to 150, 21 of 150. So really pumped to get one of those. Probably one of the prettiest cards out of all of this. Flare Brilliance, Shining Stars, Pulsar. This card is gorgeous. And this is one that I've been wanting for a long, long time. And I finally was able to get it. And I got it in the collection. So, and then, even the back. So it says Pulsar's right up there by the number. But the back even does the same thing. That's just a super sick card. SPX Finite. So this is the last Finite. For those who remember, SPX Finite, they had multiple variations, but that one is serial numbered to 150. So 54 or 150. It's a pretty big card too. Trying to figure out what next few cards I want to show. This is out of Pinnacle Summit. This is, I don't know if this is going to completely pull up, but this is like the prizes card. Third and long. Mirage, the prizes. This is numbered to 600. Never seen this card before, so this was a big deal. Donruss Elite Aspirations die cut. Look at the numbering. That's a jersey number, 30 of 70. So super pumped to get that one. Elite Primary Colors. This is the red die cut. I have to double check, but I think that completes the die cut versions. 69 to 75. 69. UD graded. This is the gold variation. This is numbered to 75. So 67 of 75. Like I said, there's a few of them in here that just are on the outside cusp of 2000. Wanted to include them. Top Stars, Galaxy, Silver. These next few cards are all going to be from Top Stars. 11 of 75. These are big cards too, from an ad perspective. These are all 3 luminaries, and I can't remember what each variation is, but this is the silver. These are really cool looking cards. 13 to 75. I'll show the. And there's this version. Maybe this is bronze. Like I said, I can't remember which ones the variations are. I haven't stayed up to speed up on a lot of these, to be honest. 75 of 100. I need to get myself re-educated again. And then there's this version. I think this is the gold. But it's been so long, and I haven't really stayed on top of a lot of stuff. Number 37 of 50. 3 cards left. Certified mirror gold. Certified gold team, sorry. This is not the lowest serial numbered card either in this collection. Most of them are in the later year stuff, but this is number 21 of 25. So super excited to get that one. This is a huge card. Not a fan that it's graded, but it doesn't matter. The fact that it's a Gem Mint 10 actually helps it. But 98 finest. This is the Centurions Refractor. This is a big card. Numbered 18 is 75. Non-graded versions of this still get pretty high dollar. But, and then this was a bonus. A little bit kind of a backstory on this one. When he filled out the checklist, he put this down as the regular 2002 Elite Aspirations die cut, which would have been cool. It was a card I needed, but I don't think he realized he had this card. So it is 2002 Donruss Elite, and you see Aspirations down the side, and it is the die cut. But on the inside right there, by his legs and his stomach and arm there's a national embossing right there. This was a big ad. Serial number 2 of 5. So kind of glad that he didn't realize that this was the national variation. And the fact that it's serial numbered to 5, and I probably would have never seen this card if I was unable to work this deal and a mistake wasn't made. But yeah, super pumped to get that too. Holy cow, 33-minute video. That's all I got. Like I said, there'll be a few more videos later on. I'll do the collection pickups of the newer stuff in a separate video, and then I've got my pickups here. As I said, I'm probably going to wait for the other 2 cars to come in before I do that video. But anyways, that's all I got. Thanks everybody for watching. I know it's a really long video, but I hope everybody got a chance to go down memory lane and enjoy a lot of these cards. Now I can actually start getting these integrated into the collection, because they've been sitting here on my table for a while, and I just keep looking at them. But anyways, please stay safe. Hope to be making more videos. It's one of those in which, like I said, early on, being kicked to the kitchen table, it kind of makes things a little bit more difficult. I don't have any other privacy. My wife actually just went to the store, which is why I was making a video. But I still have a few other ideas on some other videos to potentially make, as I've alluded to in past videos. It's just, like I said, it's a little bit more complicated these days with both of us working from home. But anyways, that's all I got. Take care. Be safe. And talk to you guys later. Peace. I'm out.